Geo-Surface Quick Start, Guide Part 6, How to Create a Drainage Plan Using Geo-Surface Designer. Start out simple and find one or two isolated problem areas you'd like to drain. Check their elevations and compare to the elevation of any potential outlets to make sure the outlet is lower. You'll need your outlets to be lower than the areas you are looking to drain, so this is a critical first step. Then use the HD elevation and flow maps to help you visualize the terrain and flow paths. The flow routes in particular are your secret weapon here. These show you exactly how your drain should get from the target areas to the outlets. Now you are ready to test a run and check if it is viable. Click on Draw Manual Survey and begin drawing the proposed drain route. Always start drawing at the outlet and work your way uphill from there. Use the flow routes to guide you where possible, and you may also want to turn on the elevation map layer too to help you. Double-click to finish drawing, and then scroll down to view the terrain profile of the run. As you mouse over the profile, you'll see the corresponding positions on the map. The vertical axis shows you the terrain elevation, and the horizontal axis is the distance from the start point, which again should be the outlet. Now let's test a best fit drain solution to simulate how a scraper or tile plow grade control system would design this drain. Click on Draw Best Fit and then click the first and last points on the profile chart. To help you understand how deep your drain might need to be, add a minimum or maximum depth guide or both. Where the best fit line crosses one of these depth guides, you'll know that it will need to be deeper than the guideline's depth. You'll also see some statistics below the chart, including the estimated cubic yards you'll need to move for surface drains, the average grade and depth, and the required starting depth at the outlet. If you are designing for tile drainage, you can add an offset to the best fit line to represent the target depth for your tile. You should also enter your minimum and maximum depth parameters and make sure the minimum grade is set to your requirement for tile. You'll see the required starting depth that you'll need to have available at your outlet, and you'll want to confirm the red best fit line stays inside the minimum and maximum depth lines to tell you the tile run will be viable.